Hope this is coming out. There's more hummingbirds for Mom. I can't believe they let me get this close. With my ninja-like skills, I could probably grab one. That's how close they are right now. Right on top of me. Guess I'm just not that great a cameraman. Guess they move too dang fast and I'm zoomed in too much. But they're right on top of me. They're kind of aggressive. When the other ones are coming over, they're like fighting, it seems. Oh, I lost it again. There's 5 of them in this tree right in front of me right now. If you can see him. There's 2 more.